It's a warm Sunday morning here at the Pune Cardrome, and we have with us the 2022 KTM RC200. So let's go ahead and take a look at this machine. Now, as you can see in the background, this says, the tagline says, Racetrack DNA for the street. So let's understand what's new about the all-new RC200. As you can see in front of us over here, we've got an all-new headlight setup. When the bike was showcased initially, it had halogen lights. Now that halogen bulb has been replaced with LED bulbs. Also, this comes with integrated indicators and DRL over here. If you look at the bike, what you also will notice is it's more like its closest cousin, the KTM Duke series. It carries the same layout as such. Also, what KTM has done this year, they have given a nice aerodynamic double bubble visor. Complementing the visor are the adjustable mirrors. Initially, the motorcycle had a bit of constraints with regard to rear view mirrors. Now the view is better. Moving on, also the new motorcycle has got a TFT LCD console, new handlebar setups. Now what makes the handlebar different is that you can raise the height of the handlebar up to 1.4 inches, or let's just say 1.5 inches, which makes it better for riding on the streets. Talking about riding on the streets, to save your time fueling up, KTM has given a 13.7 liter fuel tank as compared to the earlier 9.5 liter fuel tank. Additionally, what they have done is they have changed the setup of the brakes. This is a 320 mm front brakes with Supermoto ABS. While we are at the front, you will also notice that they have given a different form factor and design to the radiator. Now this comes with a curved radiator which improves the cooling with lesser heat to the feet. Adding to the ergonomics factor, they have given a better setup for the rider, a wider seat, more foam, and along with that you get better lumbar support owing to the pillion seat design. Now this has got not just more foam, it also has got additional padding here, so when the rider is riding solo, it gives enhanced support. Talking about riders, let's also talk about the pillion here. KTM has taken utmost care for the pillion as well. Better cushion seats, this seems wider. Also, they have given grab rails for better grip. That's about it about the all new RC200. Stay tuned to the Bike Man for more.